Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to make a photo collage. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is I downloaded a template off the internet just to make this pretty simple photo collage. And then I uploaded a bunch of my own photos. I just dragged and dropped them onto my thing, but then I clicked this on the layer screen to go ahead and make them disappear so I know what I'm working with, one picture at a time. And then all you really want to do is take the pictures, open up the scale button. If you don't see it, it's because you have to right click it and choose the scale tool. And then now I can I can essentially see what I want to scale it down to. And I can press scale. Now see, I scaled the wrong thing. I meant to scale this. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, scale. Yes. Cool. Very cool. All right. There we go. I can scale this down. Sorry, GIMP has been being a little bit difficult today, so it's been getting a little bit on my nerves. I apologize if I seemed a little short-tempered there. But you want to adjust it to the part of the collage that you want it to be into. Now, as you see, it's obviously not perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of some stuff. So let's go ahead and okay, we're gonna actually make the hardness 100% on there too. Aspect ratio up, hardness 100%. Oh, edit. It doesn't want to let me. That's great. Okay. You know what? That's fine. I don't care. And you know what? That is actually super sloppy. I'm just gonna crop it. I'm honestly just gonna crop it at that point. No, I don't want to crop the whole current layer only. Do not forget to mark current layer only when you're cropping, because it will literally crop the entire thing, and it's like really irritating when it does that, just like genuinely. Okay. And then now that that's all lined up, I can press off of this crop and it should be perfect. And then you just want to essentially recreate that with all of your pictures. So go ahead and click. Okay, we'll scale that, right? But now we're on this one. Go ahead and scale this one down. And then wash, rinse, and repeat for each one of your pictures in the photo collage. So then now that I have it right here, I can press crop, make sure it's for this current layer only. You do your crop, and then so on and so forth. Like obviously I could be a little bit cleaner with it around the edges and all that kind of stuff, but it's going to be basically how you do it. It's not that hard. It's just going to take a little bit of time. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.